have you heard about Tesla's next project? It's called the Crystal Sun. Hi, my name is Claudia and welcome to this channel. Yes, Tesla has filed paperwork in Texas for a second massive manufacturing project in the same week it locked down its chip fabrication site. This time it's for $10.1 billion and it's a cell plant in Fort Bend County. The filing submitted July 22nd under the state's Job, Energy, Technology, and Innovation Act, and first surfaced by Sawyer Merritt on X, lists an internal project, Crystal Sun, and targets the site about 40 minutes outside of Houston. And here it goes. The application prepared on Tesla's behalf spans 5 parcels totaling roughly 3,000 acres within the Lamar Consolidation Independent School District. Tesla wants a 10-year property tax limitation to exchange for the investment split as $1.5 billion in real property and $8.6 billion in equipment and personal property. Remember, the Terafab will provide 3,000 plus jobs? Well, this one will provide 9,712 permanent jobs once the plant reaches full operation, with 1,147 peak construction jobs during a build window running from this year through 2028, and commercial operations targeted for the first quarter of 2029. And this, ladies and gentlemen, explains the tax incentives. 3 times as many jobs as the Terafab. But Tesla is not fully committed to Fort Bend County yet. The filing states the company is weighing in the site against an unnamed out-of-state alternative and frames the tax abatement as what would make Texas competitive against that option. Therefore, if the district and county decline the incentives, Tesla says it might build somewhere else. Business manipulation. So this is interesting. According to the filing, the plant would handle the full solar cell production chain in one facility, covering wafer and ingot manufacturing, coating, metallization, and printing lines, cell testing, automated material handling, and clean room infrastructure. And it's important to note that this points to Tesla's vertical integration as a part of its supply chain. It currently sources largely from overseas partners, mirroring the approach behind its expanding MegaPak production in Brookshire, Texas, where Tesla's already built out 2 buildings to its grid battery business. And this is why all of this is happening right now. And it shows why Elon is who he is and why he does what he does. And it's actually amazing. The timing lines up closely with Tesla and SpaceX's other big Texas commitment this month. SpaceX confirmed its Terafab chip factory could land in Grimes County days before the filing surfaced, with construction on that $16.8 billion project starting almost immediately after local officials met with the residents. And check this out, because it all goes even further. Terafab is meant to produce the AI chips running Tesla's Optimus robots and full self-driving software, while the solar plant would feed a different part of the business, the panels and storage systems Tesla sells to homeowners, businesses, and utilities, and it increasingly needs to power its own data centers. Now, in the past, Musk has talked about building domestic solar manufacturing capacity before tying it to the amount of power Tesla's AI ambition it will require. Project Crystal Sun is Tesla's proposed $10.1 billion vertical integrated solar cell and module manufacturing facility planned for Fort Bend County, Texas, near Richmond. The massive 3,000-acre project aims to begin construction late 2026, target completion by 2028, and launch commercial operations in Q1 of 2029. Here's the project overview. $10.1 billion total investment. Over 3,000 acres, roughly 40 minutes southwest of Houston. It's projected to create over 1,100 construction jobs and roughly 9,700 permanent positions. Now, it is designed to handle end-to-end photovoltaic manufacturing, including ingots, wafers, cell printing, testing, and module assembly. It is internally named the project Crystal Sun. Construction is scheduled to begin later this year and wrap up in 2028, with commercial operations targeting a launch in Q1 2029. The filing also outlines the core overview of Tesla's plans. And this is why this is important. While specific design parameters may vary, solar manufacturing facilities of this type typically include industrial buildings, housing production lines, supporting utilities, infrastructure, warehouse for raw materials and finished goods, and related site improvements. The proposed facility would be expected to manufacture photovoltaic solar cell and or assemble solar modules, which are components used to convert sunlight into electricity. Operations at the proposed facility will focus on producing finished photovoltaic products and deployment and utility scale, commercial and distributed solar installations. While specific design parameters may vary, solar manufacturing facilities of this type typically include industrial buildings, housing production lines, supporting utility infrastructure, warehouse for raw materials and finished goods, and related site improvements. Obviously, Elon wants to produce everything in-house and in the US. I don't think he wants to deal with any supply shortages of any kind, and it shows right here. Project Crystal Sun will bring end-to-end component production under one roof. Equipment detailed in the filing includes wafers and ingot, manufacturing machinery, coding equipment, materialization and printing lines, cell testing and quality control hardware, automated material handling systems, clean rooms, and utility infrastructure. And this is why this is important. The planned facilities economic impact in Fort Bend County will be massive. The site expects to create 9,712 permanent full-time jobs alongside 1,147 peak construction jobs. Total direct and indirect economic impacts are estimated to generate $6.4 billion in the state and local taxes, while boosting Texas GDP by roughly $107 billion. Scaling up domestic photovoltaic production provides direct support for consumers and commercial hardware. The new solar cell factory would not only contribute to supply for Tesla's energy products like the new solar panels it launched earlier this year, but also help reduce reliance on the grid as AI workloads, which Tesla sees as its next frontier, bite into more and more of it. And the move also aligns with earlier strategic hints. Well, I didn't realize that Elon Musk previously discussed a solar gigafactory in North America to keep Tesla sufficient power fed during the ongoing AI boom, recognizing that massive training clusters demand immense energy generation. By building out solar cell manufacturing alongside battery storage infrastructure in Texas, Tesla is vertically integrating the energy supply required to keep its AI clusters, factories, and consumer products powered for years to come. And yes, all tax incentives are well deserved. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and goodbye.